We are going to show you the secret to scrambled eggs that are not tough or dry at all, and yet they only take 15 seconds, thanks to a genius secret ingredient. And by we, I mean Eric Kim, our senior editor at Food 52, who is also my editor on Genius Recipes.
I didn't have any coffee this morning.
Neither did I. Oh no. Wow, we both got in fights this morning with not strangers, with like people who aren't our friends or loved ones, and we both didn't have coffee, so this is gonna be interesting.
This giggling is the antidote.
And Eric, I hear that you have strong opinions about scrambled eggs.
Yeah, I do. I eat like 12 eggs a week.
If you think about the like fancy, soft scrambled eggs that you would get at a restaurant, that like is proper French technique, they're this like low and slow, creamy, custardy, like I have to sit here whisking for a good while.
Yeah, from a cold pan and cold butter.
Yeah.
It takes forever.
Yeah, so it feels like a commitment, it feels like a luxury.
Yeah. Restaurant food.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
But you know where I'm going with this.
Maybe.
Well, this recipe took that paradigm and completely dispensed with that because it only takes 15 seconds to do. This recipe comes from Mandy Lee from the beautiful blog, Lady and Pups. This one completely changed how I scramble my eggs.
Yeah, cool. 3 is the perfect number of eggs to eat.
You think so?
Yeah.
I waver. I go between 2 and 2.5. But you.
Whoa. How do you do 2.5?
If I'm splitting with my husband.
Oh, I see. I wouldn't know what that's like. I'm always alone.
So this is the part where we're going to deviate a little bit because I want to show the people at home what this secret ingredient is actually doing, and I want us to taste it too and see if it's really making a difference or not.
Great.
Do you want to do the genius version or the like control version?
I kind of want to do the control version.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the secret ingredient that is very surprising and is what makes this recipe work. It's cornstarch, and you just whisk it with a little bit of milk and then put that into your eggs. And egg proteins, when they cook fast with high heat, want to contract and squeeze up and squeeze all of their moisture out. And so the cornstarch gets in the way of that. That's my best understanding of what's going on here. Kenji at Serious Eats puts it in his eggs that he whisks into egg drop soup to keep them tender and not toughen up in the simmering soup. So there's lots of places where cornstarch has been kind of like secretly sneaking into eggs, and this is the most direct way we can see what magic is happening.
This is my favorite part of the Genius video, when she talks about the science and the history and the context. It's my favorite way. I love watching these videos, and now I'm in one.
You're my editor, you're biased.
Yeah.
And these will give you a wider margin of creaminess than just straight scrambling eggs.
I think that's the best part.
I'm curious, do you measure salt?
No, do you?
I do.
Whoa.
For
That's
this,
healthy.
just for scrambled eggs. So I did figure out kind of my perfect ratio of salt to eggs.
What is it?
It's 1/4 teaspoon per 2 large eggs. That's it. I mean, of course we took like a long time to do a very, very simple thing. But that's all you gotta do, and then this is the part that takes 15 seconds, the scrambling part. To be really scientific about this and do a true side-by-side test, we're gonna do one version where I'm doing the cornstarch and Eric is doing everything the same except for the cornstarch, and we'll see what difference it makes.
Nice swirl, actually. Oh, butter smells so good.
I know. So as soon as the sides started to set, I started stirring and I took it off the heat. As soon as you feel like it's, still a little wet, take it off. A little before you would want it done because it's gonna keep cooking on the plate. Would you like a fork?
Yes, please, thanks. Is it weird that I think this is so luxurious to have scrambled eggs in the morning? Because I never have time for it.
Now you can.
No. You taught me that I can. Okay, are we tasting?
Yeah, let's taste.
Yours are seasoned way better.
Here's the truth. I overcooked mine a little bit. But the cornstarch saved them.
Yeah.
Because I think you took it off at the perfect moment, and so they stayed creamy. I left it just a little bit too long, and they still have this really custardy,
Yeah, they really do.
tender.
Which is a good testament to the cornstarch and like what it does for the eggs, but it's also a testament to Mandy's recipe. The way she wrote the directions, she like counts the seconds for you. So I was here counting exactly according to how I remember what the recipe is.
Nice.
And it was so clear. You take it off at 11 seconds and then it finishes cooking on the plate. So in essence, they're kind of like 11-second eggs.
Eric, if people want more Genius recipes and more videos with you in them, what should they do?
They should hit like and subscribe somewhere here. Do you have any ketchup?
Do you like ketchup?
Do you?
Not on scrambled eggs.